Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Bambino Plus Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to just reset the volumes of the entire machine, the single and the double shot, and now we're going to be testing it. And I run out of water. There you go, now we can test it. Nice shot of espresso, good extraction as well. We got 1.5 ounces of this espresso shot. Like I said, we reset the machine to the default values. And now we're going to be testing the single shot. And now let's test the single shot. Great shot of espresso, single shot, 1 ounce, good crema, good extraction on the double shot and the single shot, as you can see right there. Now let's test the steamer. You can hear the steamer is definitely working. Nice heavy steam coming out of the one. Excellent temperature and pressure coming out of the steamer. And the steamer stops automatically as intended. Whenever you pull this out, it will stop steaming. And whenever you pull it down, it will also clean itself and purge by itself. So there you have it, Breville Barista, Breville Bambino Pro working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.